Hello student, today we will do question number 18 from exercise 7.10 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this, complete integration of this. So here we see that we got that x minus 1 is less than equal to 0 on 0, 1 and x minus 1 greater than equal to 0 on 1, 4. So we can write, so by P2 is what? P2 is A B fx dx is equal to AC fx dx plus C B fx dx. So by this, by using this property, we can write this 0, 4 x minus 1 dx equal to 0, 1 and this is negative. X minus 1 is less than equal to 0, so we'll write this is minus x minus 1 dx plus 1, 4. In this interval this is positive, so we'll write x minus 1 dx. Now we will integrate this. This will be minus, we will take outside. 0, 1 x minus 1 dx plus 1, 4 x minus 1 dx now we will integrate this. So integration of x, the integration of x will be x square by 2 minus x 0, 1 plus x square by 2 minus x 4, 1. Now we'll put value. So if we'll put value, first we will put value 1, then it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 minus, if we put 0, then it will be 0 minus 0. This is plus, if we put value here 4, means 16 by 2 minus 4 minus, now we'll put 1 value, so 1 by 2 minus 1. This is, so here will be minus 1 by 2 plus, this will be cut to 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4, here will be minus 1 by 2, then it will be plus 1 by 2. Here it is minus, outside minus here, so here will be also minus outside, here will be minus, and this will be minus minus plus. So 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, if we add 1 and 4, equal to 5. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.